We are going into a new era where appliances can radically change the way you live, how healthy you are, how inspired you are. We have never cooked less than now, but I think it might be about to change. Now could be the time where technology actually helps us. What Samsung is onto is really interesting. The fact that you've got a fridge that can tell you what's in it and you can find out when you're doing your shopping list, whether you're at home or at work, is amazing. It's really clever. The fact that you can kind of choose a recipe and it will send the cooking temperatures to the oven and set it up. You've got Bespoke AI in the oven that's going to tell you when something's burning. How good is that? The humble washing machine isn't very humble anymore because it can analyze what's gone in there, how to wash it. It will dispatch the detergent, which I always get wrong, in the most genius way. Then you've got the vacuum stick, which has the best suction out there. Absolutely brilliant. But ultimately, it's making your life simpler. And the simpler your life is, the more fun you can have, and hopefully you can have more cooking in the kitchen. We're talking about home living made simple. That's what it's all about.